I love the way Mpumelelo he said to his father about Makhumalo. Musamseleku says Makhumalo and Mpilo are misleading. To use the word misleading in front of his kids, and Mpumelelo stop his father Musamseleku immediately. He knows that Musamseleku can gossip about his wives to them, and those kids they will end up discussing about it. And Musamseleku he can deny tomorrow and say he did not know and to start blaming his kids. At last time he was blaming Mpumelelo, that Mpumelelo he was wrong to say Mangwabe's daughter is not Musamseleku's daughter. Musamseleku was the one who says those words to Mpumelelo, and Mpumelelo says those words to Senande. Again, it's about Sneh. The way Sneh she says she hate Mangwabe and Makhumalo is the way Musamseleku was discussing about it. You saw it on Utando Nestembo season 8. Musamseleku was blaming Sneh that Sneh, what are you discussing on broadcast? What? And Musamseleku want to ask Sneh some of the questions on family trip. Mpumelelo stopped Musamseleku that you have to stop to discuss about it. He knows that Musamseleku was the one who started discussing about it. And now Mpumelelo stops again his father Musamseleku to discuss about it. He knows that when other kids they are starting saying Pilo and Makhumalo are misleading. That's why you see Sneshi doesn't like Pilo. It's because of her father Musamseleku was always saying bad things about Pilo and Makhumalo. That's why Mpumelelo says you have to stop saying some of the words about your wives, because how we can respect your wives, you are saying some of the words in front of us. What Mpumelelo did, it shows maturity. Last time Mpumelelo was wrong about Mangwabe's daughter, we can say Mpumelelo he was still a child. You know that a person who is still a child can say some of the words because a parent says those words. But now Mpumelelo shows maturity. He can show that how we can respect, because he knows that tomorrow another person can say those words. Musamseleku can deny and say I didn't say all those words, what, and starting blaming that child. That's why Mpumelelo says how we can respect Makhumalo. You are saying those words and don't involve us with your issues with your wives. And it was good. And Mpumelelo was doing it for Mpilo to be comfortable. He saw that, oh, you know that Mpumelelo loves his siblings, guys. We can say about that boy, even they don't get along with Lwale, he doesn't like the way they are not getting along. Mpumelelo he is doing. Mpumelelo loves his siblings no matter what. Even to Sneh, Sneh knows a lot. Sneh knows that Mpumelelo was always fighting for her. Even now you see Sneh is staying in Musumbe. Musamseleku didn't chase Sneh. It's because of Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo can tell his father Musamseleku that you are doing is too much. Stop, do what you are doing. You understand? Mpumelelo always fighting for his siblings. He doesn't choose that maybe it's Mangwabe or it's Mangwabe's daughter. He is always loving them all because he understands. At that time when he was young, he was saying some of the words to his mother Mayeni that Makhumalo says so what. He was still a child, but now you can see him that he is showing maturity. Yes, he is Musamseleku's first son, and he was the one who was supposed to stand with his sisters, because when we say to Lwale is a soft person. He doesn't say much thing. But when it comes to Mpumelelo, even at that day, he want to say some of the words at family trip. Those people, they were supposed to be happy. When he want to make Sneh to be not comfortable at family trip, and Mpumelelo stops his father Musamseleku to stop saying some of the words about Sneh, what she was saying at broadcast. And he saw that it was not the right time to say those words. They are at family trip. You want to discuss some of the serious issue when they are supposed to be happy as a family. That's why Mpumelelo stops about it. Even Sneh, that Mpumelelo say some of the words at that day when they are family trip that Ubaba, you are the one, you are starting all those things, but you end up being blaming other people.